manager from Knollmeyer Building Corporation, and we're the general contractor on the restoration project at the Crypt of Old North Church. We originally started this project about a year and a half ago in terms of bidding it, reviewing the drawings, and submitting our proposal to the National Park Service. We were awarded the project late last year, and we started construction in February, and now, almost 9 months later, we're just wrapping it up. Our project originally started with some abatement work on the tomb doors. They originally were covered in a stucco and a wire mesh that had some asbestos-containing material. So we had an abatement company come in, they removed the stucco, and then our crews removed the wooden doors from their frames and brought them up to Richard's shop to be restored. While that was happening, we lowered the concrete floor to create a handicap-accessible walkway. We did some masonry repairs in terms of repointing and brick replacement on the walls. We undertook an extensive underpinning project, and we performed some HVAC and electrical upgrades while we were here. There currently are tours that take place down here, but we want to make sure that they're more accessible.